Hey lovely, so this is an update on Efsane. I told you once there's an update, I'll try to drop it on the Telegram channel or on the YouTube channel. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, you know my name is Susan, and this is where I share recent crypto trading airdrop updates. I also hunt for airdrop, especially airdrop that are not Telegram related. I also share my no-fee recipes on cakes, small chops, food tray, commercial drinks from time to time. And this is that channel you want to subscribe to. So recently I shared a video on Efsane or Efsanet, and some of you have started signing up. And if I'm not yet signing up, if you have not yet signed up, please do yourself a very big favor to sign up immediately, ASAP. Because if you are tired of Telegram airdrop projects, these projects I will bring in for you guys are the things you should start investing your time on. So this is my Efsanet, and I am on my Kiwi browser. You can use on Mrs. browser. Then if you come here, you click on personal center. Every day you come here, click on personal center and make sure you come in here and click on sign in to show signed in. I've already signed in for today. So you do this every day. So now this is my available gems. I have these as available gems, and I'm going to swap this right now. So if I click, anytime you click on this menu, it's going to bring out these options. So if I click on my assets, if you click on this assets here, you just need to come here, and let me go back on this asset. I want to show you guys something. It will show you your total assets for the day. So your total asset for today, and I want to swap it to Pi. And the reason is Efsane said that developer said Pi is going to keep rising, so it is logical, or it is necessary, not compulsory, it is necessary for you to convert your gems to Pi, so that as it's rising, your tokens will keep increasing, and then you can actually convert to USDT and withdraw. So I'm going to click on this place that shows flash swap, and then it's going to ask me what I want to swap. I want to swap gems. I have gems. I'll come here, I'll click on maximum. I have 33,688 gems, and I want to swap it to Pi. If I don't want to swap it to Pi, if I want to use anything else, I just need to come down here, click on this drop down button here, and choose what I want to convert it to. But see, I can convert to USDT, GRC, and likes, but I just want to convert it to Pi. Then I'm going to come here and I'll click on max. So I'm converting all those gems to Pi. It's going to give me about 4.604447584, and I'm going to, that's what I want to convert, and I'll just scroll down here and I will come here and I'll click on confirm. And it asked me, it said I will receive this amount of Pi, and this is the balance of gems I have now. I'll just come here to confirm that yes, go ahead and confirm. And you see swap successful. So I've successfully swapped what I have here as gems into Pi. So if I come down now, you're going to see it on my under the currency. You're going to see it on Pi. Look at it here. And under gems, look at, I have nothing now on gems. So once I accumulate again, I am going to keep swapping. So when I want to make my withdrawal, I'm going to show you. Remember I said in my first video, if you've not seen that video, please go and check it out. I'll also leave the link in the description box of this video, so go and check it out. So you'll see how to sign up for Efsane. And once I'm making my withdrawal, I'm going to show you. But for now, I just want to show you how to convert from your gems to your Pi. So if these are videos you want to see, do me a very big favor to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, guys. Please subscribe. Leave me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Ask me questions as many times as possible. I promise you I'm definitely going to respond to them. So that is all for me on Efsane. Please stay tuned, because this evening I'm going to be dropping loads of videos on DePin projects, on Testnet projects, and you do not want to miss that. See ya in another update. Bye for now.